Power plus constant, that's the formula. Power plus constant. Okay. How? So, hi friends. Initially, the question, my phone tripped off. So let's start from where we stopped. We're asked to find the missing number in the sequence here. We are asked to find the missing number. So we have 26, we have 10, we have 8, we have 2 times 2 plus 1. Okay. Not enough info to deduct. It's not. Yes, the truth. This is the truth about this. Okay. The truth about this sequence, or should I call it a sequence? Yeah. The truth about this sequence is that they did not give us enough numbers to work with to confirm the pattern. All right. Yes, they did not give. That is the honest truth. So we can easily assume different patterns. That is the truth. So when we start looking at it, we will check, we will put into consideration those things. All right, that the fact that they did not give us enough info, because assuming they added the fourth number, it would have been clearer what they are doing. Yes, assuming they added the fourth number, it would have been clearer what they are doing. But unfortunately, they only added, the only number there is just three numbers, which can lead to confusion. Assuming I reasoned it that way, maybe personally I would have added the fourth number, but I didn't reason it that way. Yes, so let me see what someone is saying. We do not need enough number. The 3 numbers given is enough, and the rest can be logical reasoning. See, banks, the truth remains that, don't worry, by the time I bring out my own pattern, you too will be shocked. And that will tell you that the numbers are not enough, because the baseline to know what kind of pattern it could be, it's easy to get the fourth number from the last number. It's not easy. Trust me. Different pattern from what you used, and my pattern worked perfectly well for the 3 of them. Those 3 numbers are not enough at all. So I cannot really say I am correct, and I cannot say that you are correct as well, because the numbers are really, they did not give us enough number. That is the honest truth. So if you drop your answer, kindly drop your pattern as well. I'll be glad to go through your patterns as well. The pattern you use to get your answer, please kindly drop that. Hello, Alhamadi, thank you for joining. Amadi says the answer is 10. Okay, you change your mind again and say it's 7. So how did you get 10 and how did you get 7? How did you get 10? And if your answer is different from 10, then you are wrong. And then how sure are you that your answer is 10 and you are right? That is one problem we have as human beings. You think you are right and another person is wrong. Are you the one that sets the question and you know the pattern that you use to set the question? One thing about IQ test is that there must be, okay, a pattern that works for all of them. A pattern that works for all of them. Once that pattern works for all of them, your answer is right. Don't worry, banks, others can also prove themselves. No one is joking here, all right? Nobody is joking here. So it's his answer is 125 times. I don't know, but yeah. So let's go, friends. Let's go. Yeah, let us go. So what do you think the answer is? John says the answer is 10. So Alhaji, thank you for joining. Isaman, thank you for joining as well. So let's go, friends. Find the missing number. All right. So I think it's time to drop the answer to this. Okay. Banks, there is no way this is a GP. This is not a GP at all. Please don't bring confusion here. Do you know what GP is? You are adding a common ratio. For example, if I start with, let's say 2, I will have 4, I will have 8, I will have 16. This is a GP. Do you know why it is a GP? They have common ratio. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. 8 divided by 4 will give you 2. 16 divided by 8 will give you 2. Common ratio. The ratio is common. Okay? So this is not a GP at all. It's not even an AP. It's a sequence and it's under IQ. It's not an AP, it's not a GP. So if you are confusing this as a GP, then I'm so sorry, you need to go back and learn GP. In your GP, you have a common ratio. That ratio must be common. In capital letters, it must be common. It shouldn't be different. Okay? So that is it. Now, friends, let us go ahead and solve this. Like I said, we don't have enough information to say that one person is wrong and others are right. All right? All right, there's no way they'll use that as a basic whatever. Any teacher that brings this in GP, I don't believe a teacher will do that. So maybe you don't understand. All right, it cannot be a basic at all because it's not a GP. So it cannot be used as a basic to teach you GP. That is what I'm saying as well. Now let's go, friends. Let's do this together. First of all, someone says, okay, Banks is saying that the answer is 10. And I cannot say that he is wrong. Do you know why? He applied a pattern, and that pattern, he thinks that pattern is right. And because we don't have enough information, all right, we can say that he is right because we don't have enough information, because based on my own pattern, the answer is not 10. Now, this is what he said the answer is using his own pattern. He assumed that they added 1 here, they added 3 to get this. So he is assuming that they are skipping what? They are skipping numbers and adding odd numbers. So that means he believes that it's supposed to add 5 here. And when you add 5 here, you are going to get 10. And I cannot stand there and say that he's wrong. No. That is why I said we don't have enough numbers to prove whether someone is right or wrong, because this is a pattern. You can see it's a pattern and it's working. Now, this is another pattern and this pattern is working as well. And for the fact, and to be honest, this is the pattern that I used. And I've seen others use it too. So we have 1. We have 1 squared plus 1 to give us what? 2. Yes. 1 squared plus 1 will give us 2. Then for this, we have 2 squared plus 1 will give us 5. Exactly. And to be honest, I would say that this is the best, because in this there is no assumption. We are not assuming that we are adding odd numbers. We are not assuming. We are getting our answer with the pattern. The pattern is constant. So you can see we have 1 squared plus 1. We got 2. We use 2 squared plus the same 1. There is a, how do I put it? It is constant. It is coming together. There is no assumption. Do you understand? There is no assumption at all. No, Banks, you say your answer is 10, right? If your answer is 10, then this is not the answer. Now, when you use this will now be 5 squared plus 1, which will give you 26. So if you use this pattern, Banks, then your answer is supposed to be 26 and not 10. That's the truth. Let's be honest here. If this is the pattern you used, your answer is not supposed to be 10. It is supposed to be 26. So if I'm to be a teacher, all right, if I'm to be a teacher, okay, if I'm to be a teacher, then I will, sorry, Banks, let me know what you are saying. What are you trying to say? All right, so the answer is what? 26. That is the answer. This is the correct answer because this is following a pattern, and this pattern is constant. All right, so you can drop your opinion in the comments. You can drop opinion in the comments. So Shaq says next question. All right, so let's go. N squared plus 1 formula would give 26 exactly, and that is a formula. Thank you, Gary. Thank you so much. Now, we have another question. This one is very easy, I believe. I believe that we will get this correct, everyone. We will get this perfectly well. So this is under pattern recognition. We have this, this, and this. Okay. Whew. Then we have this again. Then we have this. And we have this. Okay. Now the question says, which shape does not belong to the group? Which shape does not belong to the group? This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Which shape does not belong to the group? Which shape does not belong to the group? Okay, so I have Jugu. Jugu, you are back. So Isam says done 2/3. I don't know why. Please, Jugu, confirm for me. How is the let? Can you see the board clearly? Because I have this feeling that it is faint and not legible enough. Can you see the board clearly, Jugu? Please confirm for me. So Jack says the answer is A. My friend, you wrote so okay, you said A as well. Okay, I'm getting a lot of A. I know that this one is easy. I know that this one is easy. Okay. So, Jugu, please confirm for me. How is the board? Can you see the write-ups very well? Can you see the drawings very well? Or is it blurred? A is the only one that doesn't have 6 sides. Okay. Since this one is easy, I wanted something more difficult. How to find day and dates. We've been doing that, Sharu. Of course, we've been doing that. Okay, Sharu, kindly confirm for me, how is the board? Can you see the board clearly? Is it clear? Because I think it's not clear from here. Okay, okay, thank you, okay. Let us go. Let's go, friends. More answers. Are you sure? Are you confirmed? Did you confirm that your answer is right? Gary, thank you. Which one is the odd one out? Which one is the odd one out? Okay. Let us go, friends. We can do this, right? Oh, yes, 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 yes. A. Okay. Okay. Um. Hmm. Let us go. 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 Okay. Now this is very easy. This one is very easy. So there is no need wasting time. Yes, there's no need wasting time. Rico. So you can see it's very obvious. This has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can see that the only one that is odd is the first one. It has 5 sides against others, because others have 6 sides each. All right. Another question. Another question. This says, I don't want to draw. This drawing. Okay. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. Thank you. KO. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's go, friends. Find the missing number. I don't want to put a bracket for you so you can reason it out yourself. Let's reason it out. Let's reason it out. Find the missing number. How to find day and date. Shasharu, I have done that. KO. KO is saying welcome back. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So the last one is A. Kimo, the last one, the answer is A. It has 5 sides against others. Others have 6 sides each. So what is the missing number? Okay, I think let me just drop options for this one. Okay, because I can relate to what you people are going through right now. So option A is 13. KO. Option B is 15. Option C is 17. And option D is 21. So with this, I believe it will be easier. With this, I believe it will be easier. Okay. I have 176. 176? Is that not too much? Okay, oh, thank you. Okay, someone saying the answer is 13. Jugu, Jugu, it seems you left and came back, right? Please confirm for me how clear the board is. Jugu, thank you. Shenzi, you are back. So Jugu says the answer is 13 and it's 15 as well. Okay, you've changed your mind. The answer is 15. Okay. Yeah, Shenzi, how far? You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Nathaniel says I had 12. Okay, oh, thank you so much. I appreciate. So you notice I've not been around for a while. Okay, so let's go, friends. Let us go. Yeah, Jugu, tell me how is the board? Can you see it clearly, Jugu? BB says it's 17. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. So BB says 17. Let's go. More answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. What's the question again? We are asked to find the missing number. This is question mark. Find the missing number. That is question mark. So we have 3 inside the triangle. We have 5. We have 9 on top. And we're asked to find the missing number. Chenzi, kindly tell me how is the board? Can you see it clearly? Chenzi. Mehdi says E and Q. What is E and what is Q? Yes, Chenzi, yes. Confirm for me. Is the board clear enough? Okay, so Pile says it's 13. Let's go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. If you love what we are doing, please consider giving us a like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. No, that is not what I said. Shenzi, my question, I did not say you should answer the question. I say, can you see the board clearly? That is what I'm saying. Jugo, confirm for me. Can you see the board clearly? So Farah says answer is 4. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Yeah, don't shake. I know. I'm talking to in another listing account. I'm a math teacher and even I'm stumped. This IQ test. Riva, thank you so much for joining, my honorable colleague. Thank you. I'm honored to have you around. The first time I saw it, I was also, I got stuck at a point as well. So, boy, you just have to think and think and think. There must be a pattern relating to 3 of them. Jugu and Kenzie, 2 of you have started again, and Shenzi, 2 of you have started again. So, what is the missing number? What is the missing number? 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay, but I'm trying to find a pattern here. 2 plus 3, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 gave us 9. So 6 plus 7. Trying to find a pattern, but that is a nice try, though. So Mehdi says 13 because it's 1 mode 3. Mandy, what is mode doing here? What is modular arithmetic doing here? This is not really easy, I noticed. This is not easy. I noticed. The 13 I had answered before. I'm being called as Jugo, of course, now you're the one that presented yourself like that. Freddie, thank you. Thank you, Freddie. So let's go, friends. I need more answers to this. Just think outside the box. Or should I say, think inside the box. 9 times 5 is 45. Divided by 3 is 15. Oh, wow. Wow, you are really trying, but the question is, this is supposed to follow a pattern. Banks, thank you so much. You too, you are. Thank you. So we are supposed to follow a pattern. Do you understand? Yes. Jugu and Shenzi, you guys have started again. Answer the yes, we can call it a sequence, though it's not an AP or a GP. Or we just say there is a pattern that they follow. So just find the pattern. That is all I can say. Jugu, I hands off, I beg. You and Shenzi should not put me in between both of you. Please. I'm innocent. Two of you should continue from where you stopped. So let's continue, friends. Now I'm going to say, all right, there must be a pattern that you have to follow. Mr. Nathaniel says, okay, so what's the final answer then? 9 plus 4. Okay, which is, so your final answer is 13 then. All right. I'll stop talking. I don't want to be accused of. Okay, so please, let's do this together. Like I said, there must be a pattern. There must be a connection. There must be a connection between them. There must be a connection between them. All right. So Jojo is saying 17. Now let's do it. Let's see that pattern between them. Let's start from this and we go clockwise, okay? Let's start from here and we go clockwise till we get to, we go anti-clockwise. We go anti-clockwise. So if we do that, we have 3 and we have 5. Now, what is the connection between 3 and 5? If we say 3 plus 2, we get 5. Nice. Now we say 5 plus 2. We're supposed to have 9, right? But we have 5 plus 4. So it's now an assumption. We are not seeing a pattern. The pattern is not clear. All right? So as a result of that, we're not going to go with that. Now, what is another connection between 3 and 5? Another connection between 3 and 5 is when you add 3 to itself, you are going to get 6. If you subtract 1, you will get 5. Yes, 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 minus 1 will give us 5. Okay? Now, let's see if the same pattern will work for the next number, which is 9. So we have 5 plus 5. This will give us 10. Minus 1 will give us 9. So with this, we are convinced that this is actually a pattern. Yes. So that means that we need to do 9 plus 9 or 9 times 2. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And we subtract 1 to get 17. So I think that is the answer. Yes. You can use another pattern and still get 17 as your answer. As long as your answer is 17, you are correct. Okay? Yes, as long as your answer is 17, you are correct. Jugu says 17, I told you. Now, another question. Jojo is saying that he got it. Yeah. Some of you got it right. Okay. So the main thing here is we all should try to exercise our brain. Exercising your brain is very important to prevent dementia, right? That is a situation whereby you start forgetting things when you are not supposed to. So if you want to have an active brain, even when you are getting old, you need to use something like this to always sharpen your brain. So very important. My IQ is -100. Who is saying that? Shenzi, don't say that, please. Don't say that. Now, I'm going to draw. Anybody that knows me know that I'm not good at that. So I'm going to sketch and don't laugh. Now, it's time to sketch. Let me sketch some things and we're going to find the answer. So we have this. This is too big. It will not enter my board. Whew. I pray I get this so right. Yeah. Okay, please. You could you manage it like that. I even tried. I didn't know I would try this way, this much. Okay, then we have another one. This one has 3. Oh, so we have this. Okay, then the last drawing. Yes, this is not drawn to scale. This is just a sketch. If you laugh at me, laugh at me again. So the last but not the least, I'm even marveled that I can. Wow, I did not even know I would get it this way. I even tried, and you are laughing at me. Okay, so how many diamonds do we have in this? We have 4 diamonds in this one. 4. So we have the first diamond, 1. We have the second one, 2. We have the third one, 3. We have the fourth one, 4. Just manage the drawing like that. Now, these are the numbers we have. For this, we have 24. For the other one, we have 64. 64. Then the last but not the least, the question is, what should be the number here? So for the first one, we have 24. Here we have 64. So the question is, what is the number that is supposed to be here? Over to you. I've done the drawing. I have done the drawing. What is the okay, Joe says the answer is 192. Joe is saying the answer is 192. Let me shift a bit. Okay, I don't want to block it. All right. So, what is the answer? Someone say are you sure it's 192? There must be. Shenzi, please stay, okay? We need you around. Please stay. So what is the answer to this? Let's go. More answers. Shenzi and Jugu, 2 of you need to meet each other offline. Seriously, you need to see each other offline. So Eric is saying 144. Chenzi is saying nothing, brother. See, Chenzi, leave Jugu. What do you think the answer is? Mishiro says it's 128. Michelle says it's 128. Your chat box. Your chat bot. You wish. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The Herald, thank you for joining us again. So Cecilia says 108, Faith says 144. Then we have Ganga says 216. Judy is saying 192. So Many says I will draw better than this if I get the see, Mehdi, so indirectly you are insulting me. Indirectly, Abby. Abby, no problem. I'm coming for you. I'm joking. All right, so let's continue. My friend says it's 144. Juby is saying change I won't bother you. So change is stay. Juby will not bother you again. Okay, baby is saying it's 384. Nathaniel is saying 128. Charlie is saying 192. You guys are surprising me, seriously. The Herald is explaining. Chelsea said, Eric, I'm with you. You are with who? Tell us the answer. Don't be with anybody. Chelsea, don't be with anybody. Tell us your answer. So Eric is saying it's 192. Jugi is saying 16 by 12. And we have, my friend says 192 as well. Okay. Let us go. 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 What is the last number? What is the last number? I forgot something. What is the last number? What is the last number? Okay, Juno is saying 144. 144. What's your occupation? Eric, are you talking to me? Consider put of this IQ test. A first grade student has better IQ. Don't say that, Chelsea. You're a very funny person. Okay, you're talking to me. What's my occupation? I don't think you, by when looking at me and what I do, you should know what my occupation is without asking. Yeah, of course. You're supposed to know what my occupation is without asking. Without even asking, you should tell that this is my occupation. So, Eric, you should be able to say this is my occupation from what I'm doing. All right, Observer says it's 144. So let's go, friends. What's the answer? The missing answer or the missing number? Educator. You are not far from that. I am a teacher. By profession, I'm an engineer. Yeah. But I love solving maths. So I teach mathematics. That is what I do. But by profession, I am an engineer. All right. Let's go, friends. One is saying 144 as well. 144. 144. Most of you are saying 144. Wow, Jugu. Nice one. Thank you. Thank you so much. So Mehdi is saying, or it could be 24 by 16. My brain just loaded now. Okay. Jenzi. Chenzi, so before it wasn't. So before it wasn't loaded. So Tosif says is 104. Yipsy, hi. Thank you for coming back. Okay. So baby is saying 144. Sister is saying 144. Please tell us how you got 144. Please, I'm curious. I want to know. How did you get 144? Please pardon my drawing. Oh, that is a sketch. That is a sketch, a freehand sketch. So, okay. Um, is 1 2 for the answer? Chelsea, Chelsea, why are you running? Because they accidentally miscounted the sides. Okay. Medi says we know it's 192. Okay. Eric is saying something. All right. Now I understand. Mr. Mr. Nathaniel, what are you saying? Your IQ is running on negatives. Chenzi, I've told you people, you and Jugu, two of you should go look out for each other. Go and search for each other offline and see each other and drink together, because two of you, your friendship is on a different level. So the error says 192, correct. Chenzi is saying, is it 192? We have 24 plus 40 equals 64. Okay. Oh, Jesus, I depend on you. Okay, let's see what the answer is. Jugu, you're giving everybody assignments. 144 is for 3 diamonds. Okay, now, shall we do 40 is added to every additional diamond? Really? I'm meeting a lot of people with different, as in high level of IQ. Seriously. I graduated recently, not that old. Nice clue, thanks. Jugu and Shenzi. People are having meeting, all right, on my comments. Okay, so friends, let's do this together. Okay, we have 24 here. Let's count the tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, right? The ends, we have 6 times. We have 1 diamond, and 1 diamond has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we multiply 6 by 4, we will have 24. All right? Yes. If we multiply 6 by 4, we have 24. Then another one, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 8 teeth, right? 8 multiplied by, this has 4, this has 4. So we have another 8, the sides in total. So we have 8 times 8, and we got 64. So we can easily do this remaining one. So we have 5 here, 5 here. That is 10, right? Plus 1 and 1, that is 12. So we have 12 multiplied by, then we have 4 times 4, because each diamond has 4 sides, right? So we have 4 times 4, that is 16. We multiply. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 192. So that is the answer. Yes. It's just a nice one. So Are you ready or are you tired? Are you ready or are you tired? Are you ready or are you tired? Thank you, Jojo. You are ready. Okay. You are ready. Now, let's do this. You need to sharpen it very well. Okay? Sharpen it very, very well. Now, let's go. We have a 4x4 matrix, if I may say. Let me fill this ink. The drawing is not legible enough. So, you need to tell us the missing number in this. So we have 9 8. Oh wow. We have 9, we have 8, we have 3 4. 3 4. We have 2 9 2. 2 9 2. Then this is where the question mark is. We have 4 6 2. 4 6 2 0. We have 7 6 and we have 2 6. So the question says find the missing number. Find the missing number. So let us go. Betty, please, I don't want to laugh. All right, so when you get your answer, please do me a favor. When you get your answer, don't say what the answer is. Yes, that will give others opportunity to think through by themselves. Okay, so when you get an answer and you say how you got it, you are indirectly telling everybody how you got it. Some of us will not stress our brain to get it right by ourselves. So we are not doing the exercise we're supposed to do. So when you get it right, please don't tell us how you got it. Okay, Eric says loading. We are waiting for you. Eric, we are waiting for you. Jugu and Shenzi, you guys are quiet. So unlike you. Please ensure that when you get your answer right, whatever you get as your answer, please do not tell us how you got it, so that we will do the assignment ourselves. Don't tell us how you got it. Just tell us your answer and we wait for. Okay, just tell us your answer. And Eric is loading. Chelsea says, Mady, you really have dementia. You'll be mentioning for the 5th time. It's 2, but I'm not gonna say it's 2. Mady says the answer is 2, but you're not gonna say how you got it. Okay, someone has dropped an answer. He says the answer is 2. Knocked, they are quiet today, even on my stream. Okay, they used to visit your stream too. You just said I should not talk again. Okay, I'm distracting you with my talk. If I don't talk, the live stream will be bored now. It will be boring. So I have to talk. Just reduce the volume. Let the volume be 0. So that you don't hear my voice again, because as long as I'm here, I must talk. Jugo has not said anything yet. Yes. Jugo has not said anything. I guess Jugo is using his brain cells to answer the question. Let's go, friends. What is the missing number? At this point, I have to run away before I start thinking I have depression. Mr. Nathaniel, don't you think that one that you're not able to get, that you should stay and see how it is solved, how the answer is gotten? Don't you think that is the best thing? Chenzi says he left IG. Who left IG? Jugu? Or does not want to bother me? Maybe. Or maybe he's still... Jugu said no one left. Okay. Let's go, friends. What is the answer? Wow. This one is really, really hard though. Confused, Gadima. Okay, Lankasa. Abeg. Confused, Gadima. Not true. Confused, Gadima. Okay, was relating to your comment. Okay, not sir. So you just don't want to bother me. Yeah. Who is Mehdi? That is you now. It's not what you wrote as your name. Mehdi UU5QQ. That is what I'm seeing in your name. That is why I'm calling you Mehdi. Is it Mehdi or Mehdi? Sorry. I can't pronounce that well. I know. Just manage it, please. Manage the pronunciation. I beg. I don't want to laugh. Jugu says the answer is 2. Please don't tell us how. Don't tell us how. Whether you are right or wrong, don't tell us how. Anything you get. Salifu, hello. Thank you so much for joining us. So we are here to exercise our brain. So let's exercise our brain. This one took a while. Yes, it actually took a while. How sure you your answer is right? You're saying this one took a while. Ejugu, how sure are you that the answer is right? Chenzi, what is the answer? Leave others alone. Tell us your own answer. Our kitchen secret says it's okay. I'll find one doctor, maybe. What's the answer? Enoro, thank you for joining. Our kitchen secrets, Chenzi. I wish the 6 wasn't there on the southeast corner. I could have found a better answer. Okay. Enora is saying 5. I don't know until we do it. I think I don't pass my thinking limit. Wani, just say this one hard though. Of course it's hard. Enora is saying 5. I don't know until we do it together. I don't know until we do it together. It's 2 because the formula is Jugu, don't tell anybody. Someone is asking what's the formula. Baby says -5 or 5. Bam. So what's -5 doing in this? After getting my answer, I started laughing at myself because my answer is even a 3-digit number. Jesus. 3 digits number. Okay. That shows they are really thinking. Wow, nice one. Nice one. That shows they are really thinking now. That's a good thing. Your brain is working. So continue. Enora is saying, what is it? Never trust a Taycan. If the 6 wasn't there in the... Okay, you said that before. You've been topper your entire life. Jugu, abeg. So this is really giving us tough time. Oh. Seriously, it's really giving, but it's not that difficult. Though I must be sincere. I must be sincere. The first time I saw it, it wasn't easy. I had to take time to get it. It took me a lot of time to get the pattern. Mehdi is saying A plus B. Our kitchen secret is saying fine. That's A plus B though. But it's a whew. Let me even check how long I've been on this live stream. Let me check. Because like this, I should give you a clue. Okay. A plus B is a clue. A times B is a clue. You guys are asking for a clue. I really want to fight with someone. My nosy cousin is not here today. Please don't fight. It's not good to do that. Let us go, friends. Let's us go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Energy, energy, energy. Think, 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 think. Ransack that brain. Ransack that brain. Seriously. Jugu, if I catch you, Jugu, if I catch you. So let's go. And Nora says, the error says 22. Jugu, see, if I catch you, the brain isn't braining it. Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. One thing about IQ test that, in fact, me personally, I don't like IQ test. I don't like it. I prefer that you give me math question to solve. I will know that yes, I'm solving algebra or geometry or whatever. It's better for me. I'm into calculus than IQ. IQ will just like sometimes mess up with your brain. You'll be thinking, you'll be asking yourself, do I even have brain at all? So, so that is the honest truth about IQ test. But it's very interesting when you get the answer right. You'll be very happy when you get the answer right. When you get the answer right, but if you don't get the answer right, Hey God. Okay. Medi says I'm sending my energy. Nice one. So let's do this. Let's do this. And see how it goes. Let's do this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Permit me to take a shot first. Are you ready? Okay. Now, the first one, 9 plus 8 is what? 17. 17 multiplied by 2 will give you 34. Now let's leave this. This is not complete, right? Yes, it's not complete. So we cannot get anything right now. Let's confirm this. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. This is the weakest row in this question. As when you looked at this row very well, you might have guessed the pattern from this row. Because when you look at this, you have 4 and 6, which will give you 10. And you have 20. You get? Now, this one is 7 plus 6 is 13. When you multiply this by 2, you get 26. So you can see that the answer is simple. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Now, 11 times 2 is 22. So the missing number is 2. The missing number is 2. Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Are you still ready? Are you still ready? Are you still ready? So Enola says the answer is 20. Sorry. Baby said I said 2. I need a voice note to say what is in my mind right now. Okay. Okay, I beg go. Thank God there is no voice note. If not, who knows what we would have said? Thank God there is no voice note. If not, who knows what you would have said? My brain needs warming. In fact, it needs to be microwaved. This one is easy but hard. Yes, that is the truth. Is hard. I will not lie. I won't lie. This is hard. So Jugu is saying 26. Okay, Jugu has already dropped the answer before, right? Yeah. So that is the answer, 22, everyone. So the missing number is 2. The missing number is 2. Now let's go. Someone is saying the answer is 6. Okay, just tell us how you got your 6. Maybe, just maybe, it will work as well. Thank you so much, Jawara. Thank you. So we have another question. Another question to solve. Now, this is easy, but not easy. So we have 1 times 2 plus 3 as the first expression. Okay. Now the second one says 2 times 3 plus 4. Then we have C, 3 times 4 plus 5. Okay. So we are asked the next, right? What should be the next? What is the next expression? Mr. Adana said he cannot think straight. You cannot think straight again, seriously. Please, oh, you should be able to think straight to get this right. You should be able to think straight to get this right. Okay, now, answer is 26. Where is 26 coming from? Okay, you guys are answering. Okay, the Hera says 4 times 5 plus 6. Jugi is saying 4 times 5 plus 6 as well. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, it seems this one is easy. At least this one will not disturb your brain. It won't disturb anybody. This one is very easy, right? This one is very easy. 5 times 10 plus 17 by Arthur. 4 times 5 plus 6. Give us another one, I beg. Rest of mind. It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well. What do you think the answer is? What if you are wrong? What if it's not that thing you're expecting? What if it's not that thing you are expecting? What if? Just what if? I'm not saying it's not that, but I'm saying what if it is not? What if it is not? Adam, welcome. Okay. Let us go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How come everyone give the answer? I can't solve it. Jugu, that's not true. Maybe you don't want to solve it. Hmm. So Shari says 5 times 5 plus 6. 5 times 5 plus 6. 5 times 5 plus 6. You solved it first, yeah. Okay, let's see. Muzak says 4 times 5 plus 6. 46 really. Riley says 3 times 4 plus 5. 3 times 4 plus 5 equals 21. Okay. They're now saying 3 times 4 plus 6. Big Waza saying 4 times 5 plus 6. Let's go. Hello, Shenzi. Isn't it 19? What is the next expression? The next expression. That is the question. What is the next expression? 17. What are you solving? When will be the next live session? My network is not doing justice. Wani Black, I don't know. Seriously. I don't promise any particular time for my live stream. Anytime I have the strength, you can see that I stay a long time. So I don't just come on live stream. I must be sure that I'm strong enough. The strength is there to come. So after this, definitely I'll still go live again, but I don't know when. But definitely today. The only thing is you just need to on your notification. On your notification, once I go live, you will be sent a notification will be sent to you that JJ is live. Okay, so that is just it. I think of going to school once again. Jugu, nice one. Me, I don't think of going to school again. No. I beg, I've studied enough. If not for degrees, I will not even go to school again. But someone needs to upgrade more. So one time an apple fell on my head and I discovered gravity. Then I got dementia. Riley is my name. Oh yeah, Riley. Let's see. What's 50 divided by 10? Riley, what are you trying to do? What's 50 divided by 10? Okay, so let's go, friends. Let's drop the answer to this. Then, Chelsea, I don't even understand what you're solving. Seriously, I don't even understand what you're solving. Okay, I think there is a pattern here. Yes, I think there is a pattern here. And the pattern is, we are asked what is the next expression, not the answer. We are not told to say the answer, but the next expression. All right. So this is what it should be. We have 1, 2, 3. So they are following a pattern. 1, 2, 3. So the next should be 4. Everything here is multiplication, so we multiply. We have 2, 3, 4. So the next should be 5. Everything here is addition. So we have 3, 4, 5. So this should be 6. So this should be the next. This is very easy. So sometimes it's not difficult. Sometimes it's not difficult. How do I turn on my notification? Once you subscribe to my channel, I think automatically your notification is turned on. The animation is gone. Better. Oh. Better. Okay, let's go with word puzzle. I think after this we all rest, Abby. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, let's go. Turn off your phone and notifications will be enabled. Okay, now we have 4 by 4 this way. And we have this, we have this, we have this, we have KMN, we have AEI, we have GRT. So form a word using all the alphabet. Don't repeat any. So form a word using all the alphabets, but do not repeat anyone. Do not repeat anyone. Form a word using all the alphabets. Okay. We are going to make use of all the alphabets, all of them, form just one word. You are supposed to use all the alphabets to form just one word. Yeah. Hi, Adebisi. Thank you for joining. So, Jugu, can you see things now? I think the network was poor then. Can you see the board now, Jugu? I answered before you sat down. Easy. Really? Okay. Okay. Wow. Nice one. Hi. So, Jugu, you cannot see anything till now. You cannot see anything. The board is blank or what? Please explain to me. I need to understand what you're saying. My best friend is helping me out. So, Riley, can you see the board clearly? Is the right up clear? You guys are trying, seriously. How you even get this very fast? Sometimes I don't even get it that fast. It takes me some time before I analyze the whole thing. Yeah, sometimes it takes me a long time, a longer time than it takes all of you for me to get the answer sometimes. No, just what I'm saying is we are going to form just one word. Just one word. Just one word. So, okay. My brain is not training. No need of brainstorming question. Your brain is training. Is everybody's brain is training. As long as you don't want to have dementia, you need to train your brain. Since I don't want to laugh. Our kitchen secret says my BFF is out. So, um, I have a friend called MNK, and he was known as Great MNK. Nice one. Wani Black says marketing as well. Okay. 10, right? 10. Rent. No, some of you don't understand it. I said we are going to form one question, one word, only one word from the whole of the numbers, using all the alphabets, form just one word. And in that word, you shouldn't repeat an alphabet. Yeah, you shouldn't repeat an alphabet, just form there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Jojo, thank you. Thank you, Jojo. I like it too. So, marketing, credit, Medi. So, Jugu, you are taking from Medi, all right? So, we have, Chenzi says, oh, let me tell my answer to my... So, it's obvious. Okay, not that it's obvious. Most of us have already said the answer. We have said the answer already. So, and it's very obvious. Right now that they have said it, it is obvious. So, the answer is marketing. Marketing. Once I saw Ting, I know that that word must end with what? Ing. So you can bring that out, then try to form other ones. 4 more questions to go, please. You want more questions? Okay, no problem. Hope you are ready. Hope you are ready. Oh, are you sure I snapped this one? Okay, now more questions. More questions. More questions. More questions. More questions. Now we have let me explain. Let's solve mathematics. Let me see those that will get this. You are asked to factorize 3x to the power of 3 minus 108x. Let's factorize 3x to the power of 3 minus 108. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? So let's go. Factorize, not solve. So you're asked to factorize 3x to the power of 3 minus 108x. 3x bracket x to the power of 2 minus 36. Okay, I think you can still factorize that more. We can still factorize that more. Jugu. Okay, Shenzi, bring your best friend in. Let him or her join us, okay? This is the most factorization form. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So this one is not IQ test, please. This is under factorization or under polynomials. So this is under factorization. We are asked to, I need to take short, please. Okay. All right. Now let's do it together. Let's do this together. It's not easy, but it is easy. Anyway, in fact, it is easy. Yes, because first of all, we need to check. 3 is you can easily dictate when a number is divisible by 3 if you use the law of divisibility of 3. When you add the sum of the digits of a number and it gives you a number divisible by 3, that means that number is divisible by 3. For example, when I saw 108, I wanted to check if 108 is divisible by 3, right? And yes, it is divisible by 3 because if I add 1 to 0 to 8, I will have 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So with that, that means that the common factor here is 3. Now you notice that you have x here and you have another x here. So we can still bring out 1x from both of them. All right. So we bring out 1x from both of them. Then we open our brackets. So when this is divided by this, you notice that we removed only 1x here. We still have 2x remaining. So that is why we have x squared here minus. Now 108 divided by 3 will give us 36, right? Now we have what is called difference of two squares. When you talk about difference of two squares, when you have a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, that is difference of two squares. Now notice that we can solve this, or we can write this as 3x brackets. This is x squared minus 36 is 6 squared. So this is now in this form. So we can expand it further in this form. All right. So now we have 3x brackets. We can now say x minus 6 and x plus 6. And that is the final answer. This is how to do this type of factorization. Don't forget to like the, thank you so much, Mehdi. Hope this is okay. Hope this is cool. Hope this is cool. Permit me to take, hope this is cool. All right, 3 more questions. Thank you so much, Jojo. Thank you. Now, more questions. Hope you are ready. Hope you are ready. Hope you are ready. Now, this question says, so this is IQ test. So we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Now we have 36. We have 36, we have 25, we have 27, we have 23, we have 30, we have 21, we have 33, and we have question mark. Now we are asked to find the missing number. We are asked to find the missing number. Or what is the missing number? Find the missing number. So let us go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. So Wendy is saying yummy pizza. It's not pizza. Remember our rule. When you get the answer, please don't tell us how you got it. That way, we give others the opportunity to think it through. Okay? This is IQ test, not for us. Arishi says, oh, Jugu is saying the answer is 29. Okay. So Tasif says 49. Arishi is laughing. Did you see? See what? What are you seeing? Is it 31? I don't know. Remember, do not tell us how you got it. Just tell us your answer. All right? So I'm seeing 19, 34, 31. Just tell us your answer. Harish is saying, is it 31? Dara says it's 19. She will solve it at the end. Yeah, of course, I'll solve it at the end. Jugu says the answer is 19. Remember, don't say how you got it. Let others try it by themselves. Oh, God. So let's go. I'm having different answers. This is one question. How come this is one question? And we're supposed to have one answer, but we're having multiple answers. Wow. Very interesting indeed. This is yummy. Arushi, wow. Thank you, Chenzi, for inviting him or her over. Thank you. Arushi, you are welcome in our midst. Welcome to our live stream. So Jubi is saying it's 19. So Arushi knows Felix. Chenzi, how come Arushi knows Felix? Okay, so final answer 19. According to Jugu, I think it's 19. That is SVS 3230. Says, I think it's 19. Jugu is asking Arushi, how did you know me? Adevisi says it's 27. The Herald, don't tell us how you got it, please, so that others will try to think it through by themselves. Okay? So the Herald, don't tell us how you got it, so that others will think through. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us go. More answers. Yeah, Jugu, that is it. Maybe he did not hear when I said, don't say what you did, so that others will try their best. So I'm seeing 19 working IQs. Jojo, I'm telling you, I'm really enjoying this because we are trying, seriously. If you go for an IQ test and you get above 80, you are doing great. Seriously. In fact, if you even get 50 in an IQ test, you get 50%, you are doing great. I'm telling you the honest truth, because IQ test, I don't know. Arishi, tell us the answer now. Tell us the answer. So MK is saying 27. Chenzi said, I told them that my friend is smart. He's very smart, please. Answer is 19. Final answer. That is Jugu. So let's go, friends. The circles are taking toll on my salary. How? 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 Salary. What is salary doing here? I lost connection though, but I'm now back. Thank you, Mr. Nathaniel. Thank you. Answer is 27. It can be 27. 2 apart from 19. Mm. Okay. Let us go. 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 Okay. Jugu is saying salary is irrelevant. Who says salary is irrelevant? Salary is very, very, very relevant. Oh. Which one is salary is irrelevant? Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just go. Now someone knows. Oh shit. My name is not Kishin. Nice half says my name is not Kishin. Did anyone call you Kishin? Did anyone call you that? Okay. She's your benchmate. Okay. So Mr. Nathaniel says 37. Mr. Nathaniel, try again. That is not the answer. Mr. Nathaniel, try again. That's not the answer. I'm just giving you a spoon. So that you don't submit your script and I'll mark you wrong. That is not the answer. Solve again. Arushi is my best friend by Medi. Hey. Arushi is saying what? Who are you? Arushi, you have a twin. Aisha is saying dementia person. Please, I don't want to laugh too much. Arushi, Arushi has dementia. My cat's name is Kitchens. All right, let's go, friends. I have 19. I have 140. 140. Milda, you tried, but that is not the answer. 19. Okay, Lancaster. You are trying. We are all trying. Let's try harder. Mr. Nathaniel, drop another answer because definitely that's not the answer. So Archie is saying, I just don't process it as well. She's saying what? Medi is saying BFF. So, what's your final answer, everybody? What's your final answer so that we solve this together? If you know your final answer, let me know. What is your final answer? Ma'am, one pattern. Okay. Okay. That is Jugu. This one, they wine my brain. Anything IQ test is supposed to wine your brain. Is a normal thing. Anything IQ test supposed to wine your brain is normal. Because always expect your brain to be wined. If that is possible, always expect your brain to be wined. This is the Janice Felix Arushi. Okay, I just came in the room, so I don't know what you're asking. Okay, Sean, we have a circle that is divided like pizza. We are asked to find the missing number in the pizza. Okay. So we have 36, 25, 27, 23, 30, 21, 33, and we are asked what is the next number. Okay. So Jugi is loud. Okay. I just got to the room too. What a coincidence. All right, so it's time to drop the answer. The truth is that sometimes in an IQ test, you have there will be more than one pattern in a particular question. You will have more than one pattern. So Elian says the answer is 30. Yes, I'm about to drop the answer. So, ma'am, check my pattern too. Yeah, yes, I've done that. I've done that. Okay. So let's go. Let's go, friends. This is actually easy. Yeah, it is. It's difficult but easy when you're able to realize that there are two patterns here. There are two patterns here. Now, the first pattern is we have 25 and 23. We subtracted 2. Okay? So from 23 to 21, we also subtracted 2. So from 21 to this, you're supposed to subtract 2 again. And if you subtract 2, you have 19. Now let's try to get the second pattern. Now the second pattern is for this 27 and 30. When you add 3 to 27, you get 30. When you add 3 to 30, you get 33. And when you add 3 to 33, you get 36. So we have two patterns here. But the one we are looking for falls with the first pattern, which is why the answer is 27. Yeah. So I think it's time for me to rest. So do you have anything to say in the comments? Do you have anything to say in the comments? Anything? Here, visually. Arishi is long. Did Arishi drop an answer? So let me check what Jugu. Jugu says 27, 2 apart from 19. 2 apart from 19. Okay, 27. Then one alternate sequence. Another is 30 plus 6 equals 36. 30 plus 6 equals 36. How? Someone is saying as how. Okay, you can see it now. It's there. Oh, until I have anyone correct me, aren't interested. Wait, Mr. Anthony, wait. Are you trying to say that all this while you've not gotten anyone right? I thought you got the puzzle correctly. I thought you got it right. 25 minus 2, 23. 23 minus 2 is 21. Yeah, that is it. The other one you add. Never seen a friend who calls their friend to live and lives. Never seen a friend who calls their friend to live and lives. She has a birthday party to go to. As well, Mehdi, you deserve very more likes and views. Thank you so much, Mehdi. Thank you. That will come. Yeah, see likes, see views. They will come with time. That is it. Jojo is saying 2 more questions. Yeah, you are not tired, Jojo. You are not tired. I have a lot of questions, so my own is the cocoa now is the strength. I want to check something. Let's see how this goes. Okay, find the missing number. Where is my let's find the missing number. You are tired. Okay, just that this one will take a longer time before I answer it because I will need to catch my breath before I answer. Okay, so we have this. 3 by 4. This is a 3 by 4. Then we have these as the numbers inside. We have 4, 5, 6. We have 3, 4, 2. We have 5, 3, 3. And we have 23, 19. Now, what is the missing number? What is the missing number? Remember, when you get it, do not tell us how you got it. Just say what the answer is. Did Chelsea left before? Did Chelsea leave before? Adebisi is saying hi. Hello, Adebisi. You're welcome. Joey is saying the answer is 20. Remember, don't drop the solution. Whether your answer is right or wrong, don't drop the solution for us. This number is 20. You better call me Chelsea. Niger have. You are Chelsea. Chelsea. How come you are Chelsea? Our kitchen secrets. 20 is the answer. No debates. No. Joey, I did not say you should call me Chelsea. I'm reading out a comment by Niger have. So the error says 20. So let's go. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Okay. No problem. Chelsea. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Let's go, friends. I'm seeing minus 20. Tiger says it's 11. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Jojo says it's 20. How sure are you it's 20? Whatever it is, do not tell us, okay? Do not tell us your pattern, whether you are right or wrong. Do not tell us. Whether you are right or wrong, do not tell us. Whether you are right or wrong, do not tell us. Another person says it's 29. Simple. Okay. All right. Thanks for the idea. I will do that from now on. Okay, you guys are having meeting. Arishi went to study. Oh, nice one. Julie is saying, okay, I'm glad I spoke something positive finally. This question was probably discussed. Yes, it was, Jugu. So if you were here, don't talk so that others will think. Think. I'm seeing Chuck saying it's 20. Okay. Okay, he's saying it's 20 as well. Everyone is saying 20. 20. Everywhere. 20 everywhere. Who is ready for more questions? So, most of us have not said anything. Most of us, We are yet to say something. We are yet to say something. Okay. So Jojo, you're saying the answer is 22. Okay. No wahala. There's something we say in Yoruba. I'm not Yoruba, but I love that language from Yoruba. They say kosi wahala. Also we say badamwa. Nice one, friends. Okay, yeah, it was a typo. I noticed. That's why I read it out to your hearing. That's why I read it out to your hearing. Herald is the reason behind Nokia's downfall. He disclosed their formula like he did. the Herald, the Herald, are you sure you? I always say, see, the Herald, stop telling us how you get your answer. Okay? So that way others will, yes, you get, stop telling us how you got the answer. That way others will have opportunity to think this through by themselves. How to get +7 brain power. Let's go, friends. Let us go. 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 Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. My friend says the answer is 20. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. Jojo. No problem. No problems. Just remember, don't drop your formula, all right? How you got it. That's what others will think. But once you drop your formula, they'll stop thinking. They'll just pick that from here. Jojo, thank you. Oh, yeah. And that fits me very well. Thank you. I appreciate. All right. So Cloudy says, Claudia, thanks for joining us again. So everybody is saying 20, 20, 20. Now, how did you get the 20? I will explain for the benefit of those that don't really, that did not, you understand, that don't really understand. So let me explain. One thing about this type of question is when you see, the first thing that will come to your mind is, let me add the columns and see if they will give me the same thing, or let me add the rows. But when you do that, you're not going to see a pattern. Okay, you're not going to see a pattern. That is normal. So but when you look at this closely, you can see that 4 times 5 plus 3 will give us 23. Yes, you can see that 4 plus 5, 4 times 5 plus 3 will give us 23. So similarly, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 will give us 19. Then here 6 times 3 is 18. When you add 2, you are going to get 20. You can see that, right? Yes, so that is how they got, everyone that got 20, that is how they got that. That is how they got that. All right. Now, how many triangles can you see in this? How many triangles? How many triangles can you see? Chinyere, thank you. Yeah, nice one. Big G, thank you. How many triangles can you see? How many triangles can you see? The answer says 12. Naya said, bye. Are you going to study? I'm going to study too. All right, take care. Chenzi, take care and thank you for joining. So Jibu says 12. Nera says 12. Chenzi says 12. Study hard, exams will be easy. So let's go. I'm seeing 5, 12, 10, 3. I know this is not going to be easy because there are triangles inside triangles inside triangles. And you need to see those triangles. You need to bring out each and every one of them. So I'm seeing 10, I'm seeing 12, I'm seeing 3 as the answer. Chelsea saying it was easy, surprising. Okay. I'm glad it was easy. How many triangles can you see? How many triangles can you see on the board? How many triangles can you see? I'm seeing 7, 6. Cash Lady is saying 6. Jojo saying 6. Don't think that it is possible. We have triangles inside triangles inside triangles. I'm giving you tips. So now you say that JJ did not give us any tip. I'm giving you tip. There are triangles inside triangles inside triangles. Friends, don't mind me. I'm always like this. I hardly, I don't know. I don't have steez. My steez is 0. So pardon me. I'm I'm giving you guys tip. People are taking advantage of my tip. Like say Garo says the answer is 20. Taking advantage of my tip. Kama says it's 11. Right? All right, so I'm giving you tips. There are triangles inside triangles inside triangles. That is a very good tip. It will help you to get the answer. I'm telling you. It will help you. So Garowe says it's 20. Come on, says 11. Tammy says 3. Okay, Lancaster. Lancaster. Okay, I will remove that Lancaster and I forgive. So okay says the answer is 12. So let's go. Vaishnavida says it's 12. Kuvino says it's 11. Vino, hello. Thank you for joining us. You are welcome. All right. Thank you for joining us. So how many triangles can you see? Let's look at the board very well. How many triangles can we see? It's 12 final. Okay. Okay. Everyone is saying 12, 12, 12. Okay. So let's go, friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. How many triangles? I can't see clearly all of it. Are you saying that all of a sudden you cannot see anything again? You cannot see clearly all of a sudden. Okay. Sorry, yeah. Go and bring your glasses. Go and wear your glasses. Okay, Jojo is okay, you're laughing. All right. So let's go. Maya is saying the answer is 8. I need more answers, please. Drop more answers. Okay. Wow, the day is fast spent. It's 3:22 here. 3:22 p.m. over here. All right. So let's look at it. Let's look at it and see if we get the answer right. Mr. Nathaniel, you that is talking. Mr. Nathaniel, what is the answer? How many triangles can you see? Ah, okay. Samantha says 12. Now, the way to do this is to look out for what is it called? Triangles, inside triangles, inside triangles. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is very obvious. Yeah, this is very clear and easy to notice that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is this one. But if you look at this clearly, you will notice that we have another triangle here. If we start considering this triangle now, we have we have another triangle like this. That is 6, right? And we have another one like this. That is 7. Okay, we've used the up. Now let's come to another triangle that we will see from here. So we are at 7 now. 7, don't forget. Then let's take this into consideration. So we have this. This is 8. And we have this. This is 9. Okay. Now let's keep this. And we have this. This is 10. We have this. This is 11. Then the biggest one. And that will give you 12. 12 triangles. How? I'm tired. Let's go for today. Not for today, for now. I will rest and then I'll come back again. Yes, that is it. 12 triangles.